Hello students, you know that a lockdown situation is going on, and in this pandemic situation CBSE has published a new revised syllabus for your class 10 exam. Yesterday in a bulletin they have published that 30% of your syllabus has been reduced. Now in this short video I will explain you which part you have to study and which part has been omitted. Also I will tell you the part which you must study, although those were omitted, considering your knowledge point of view. First let us start with biology. Biology first chapter is life processes. It's a very important chapter. Don't miss even a single line of this chapter. So in this chapter you have to study from photosynthesis, from nutrition to alimentary canal. You have to study respiration. You have to study blood circulation, human heart, then excretion, everything. Means entire chapter you have to study. Please, two diagrams are there, very important. One is human heart and the second is nephron. This is an important chapter. Next chapter is, in your biology, the next chapter is reproduction. Reproduction also a very important chapter. You have to study plant reproduction, animal reproduction. Both in plant reproduction you have to study the four roles of a flower, pollination, how pollination occurs, and also entire part of animal reproduction. So first two chapters, in the first two chapters nothing has been deleted. Third chapter is heredity and evolution. Now in heredity and evolution chapter, evolution part is entirely omitted. You don't have to study evolution part. You are only studying the heredity part, which are Mendel, traits, sex determination. These parts you have to study very well. Control coordination chapter, entire chapter is deleted as per CBSE. But I think in your school they may explain you the human brain. It depends upon the school. So I think this is all about your biology syllabus. Now I come to your physics syllabus. Physics, the very first chapter is optics, means light. In light you have to study everything in details. It's a very important chapter. You have to study reflection, image formation by mirror, image formation by lens, refraction, how different types of images are formed at different placing the objects at different places, the numericals, everything. Not even a single line of this chapter is omitted. Please go through this chapter very well. Second chapter is electricity. Electricity also nothing has been omitted. Entire chapter is there. You are starting from potential difference to Ohm's law to resistivity to heating effect of electric current. Everything you are studying. So entire chapter is important. Go through the numericals also. This is an important chapter you must study. Third is magnetic effect of electric current. Now in magnetic effect of electric current, please note some of the very important parts are deleted. Those are alternating current, direct current, is uses, frequency of AC, generator, and application of spherical mirror and lenses. These parts are omitted. Rest everything is there. You should study the rest part very well. And the sources of energy chapter, that chapter is also entirely deleted. You don't have to study the sources of chapter. So I think this is all about your physics syllabus. In addition, I tell you, there is no change in the chapter of our environment, that is chapter 15. You are studying the entire chapter. And management of natural resource, this is important on your knowledge point of view. This is only for your internal assessment. So no question will come from this chapter in your class 10 final exam. Now chemistry. Let me see which parts are there in chemistry. First chapter, chemical reactions and equation. Entire chapter is important. Chapter is very small. You go through the different types of chemical reactions, corrosion, rancidity, just the definition part, and the examples of different chemical reaction. So entire first chapter is there, you have to study. Next chapter is the perhaps the most important chapter in chemistry, that is acid, bases and salt. Entire chapter is there, nothing has been omitted. If you like to revise, you can come to my channel. I have uploaded the entire acid, bases, salt chapter in my YouTube channel. Third chapter is metals and non-metals. In metals and non-metals part, the portion that has been omitted, means that are omitted, are metallurgy, extraction, its process, calcination, reduction, corrosion and rancidity. I again tell you, metallurgical processes, extraction, calcination, reduction, corrosion and prevention. So, but one thing I tell you, corrosion is there in your very first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation. So you are studying corrosion from that chapter, a very small part. Details you don't have to study. In this chapter mainly we will be studying, the portions that you will be studying are the characteristics of metals, their definitions, reactivity of metals, how they react with cold water, acids and its other characteristics. Next is periodic classification of element. This is a very important chapter based on your knowledge point of view, because this chapter will help you a lot in your next classes. So nothing has been deleted from this chapter. You are studying this entire chapter and you should study it or based on your concept point of view and the entire chapter very well. Last chapter is carbon and its compound. Now students, I am very surprised why they have just deleted most of the questions from this chapter, because this is a chapter which is very important, considering that you will be studying science in your next classes, because in 11-12 if you study science, this chapter is the building block for organic chemistry. So what I suggest is that you study the entire carbon compounds chapter, because this is the basis for your future organic chemistry. You must have the knowledge of this chapter, but still I will tell you what are the things that you have to study. Please note it down. Covalent bonds, how it takes place in carbon, that you have to study very well. Allotropes of carbon, you have to study very well. How the covalent bonds are taking place by sharing, that you have to study. You have to study the versatile nature of carbon atoms, the unsaturated and the saturated carbon compounds you are studying. You are studying the very basics of, very small basics of methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, all these things. But the things that are not there, note it down. This may not be there from your exam point of view, but this will be very important for your concepts and for your next classes. Things that has been deleted are, deleted portions are nomenclature of carbon compounds, halogens, alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, double bond, that means alkenes, and triple bond, that means alkynes. Chemical properties of carbon compounds are deleted entirely. Combustion is deleted, addition reaction, substitution reaction, oxidation, everything is deleted. Only part you have to study is that you will study a very small portion of properties and uses of ethanol and ethanoic acids, and just the basics of soaps and detergent. So that's all for your science syllabus. I have uploaded acids, bases in my YouTube channel. I have planned to upload the entire syllabus in your YouTube channel for your convenience. You can see my channel, and please do subscribe my channel and tell me If you have any problem, I am there to help you, and I will be uploading the portions that in which you are confused, in which you think you need some explanation. I will be continuing to do that. So thanks for watching my channel once again.